Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Dodge Neon. Let's go ahead and get started. Now the door is held on by 3 screws. We have one screw that's down here in the handle. We'll get a close up. You have one right here behind this latch. It's got a little panel that you'll need to pop out, and then you have one Phillips screwdriver right here. Those are the only 3 screws, and then you do have clips along the edges that we'll have to disengage so we can pull that off, and it's very simple. But let me show you the tools that you'll need to complete this job, and then we'll jump into it. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and then some kind of a clip removing pry bar so we can pop the door clips off once we get the screws removed. Looking down into the handle, you'll see a Phillips head screw down there. We'll need to remove that one. Normally there's a little plug on top of it that you need to pull out with the flathead screwdriver, but on this Neon here that's missing. So we'll just take our Phillips screwdriver here and we'll remove this. Take that out, put that in a safe spot, and move on to the next one. The next one is located right behind that little plate right there. So what we'll do is we'll pull the handle out a little bit, take our flathead screwdriver, slide it in, and gently pop this out. Pull that out, and you'll see another Phillips head screw in there. Let's get our screwdriver and remove that one. Remove this one. We'll put that in a safe spot and move on to the next one. This is our last one here on the inside. So we'll get our Phillips screwdriver again. That's another Phillips screw. Remove that one. Pull that one out. Put that in a safe spot. Now all the screws are off the door. We can pop it off from the clips and then remove this panel. Next we'll take our little clip remover pry bar. We'll slide it in. You'll find the clips along the edge if you work your way along, and then you can pull. So let's see if we can find the next one. I just popped one off. You don't want to damage the paint. Let's see. There you go. So you're just going to feel along the edges, and where they are, you're going to use this to pop it off. There's one here. You pulled a couple. Once you get them moving, you can just pull them now by hand. I think we got them all. Up top, you're just going to push up. There we go. Kind of get it off. Here's one here. There we are. Raise it up. Pop the other ones off. There should be one up here. There's one holding it on up top. There we go, and then it slides down. Now there are harnesses attached. Let's get a view from the inside so we can see what to attach. You don't want to be yanking on it right now because you'll damage some of the connections. Pull this back. You have these 2 cables here which go to the door handle. Then you have a connection going to the power windows, another one going to the power locks. So we need to disconnect all of that, and then this panel can freely come out. You have the green up top, the yellow on the bottom. The harness with the purple, that goes to the power windows, and then the harness further back, that is for the locks. So to remove this one, you're just going to grab it, push down on this little tab right here, and pull it. Here we are. Now we'll move up to this one, which is for the locks. You're just going to pull this tab a little bit, push down, and then just give it a nice little pull. And that one's off. So now let's go ahead and remove these 2 cables from the latch, and we're done. Take the clip, we're going to pop it off, the cable like that, and then the cable will come right out. Move that off to the side. We'll do the same with the bottom one. Push this in and pull the cable out like this. There. Now we can just pull it out, and now this door will come out. Okay, that wraps up this video on how to remove the door panel from a Dodge Neon. Now these are obviously the front doors. Be the same on both sides, just in reverse. And then at this point, if you want to work on your speakers, or if you need to do any work with the power window motor, whatever the case may be, you're good to go. And then to put it back on, be the same way, just back in reverse. So that wraps up this video. I hope that this video helped you out with any projects that you may be working on with your Dodge Neon. I have other videos on here pertaining to this vehicle. I'll have them listed down in the description if you want to check those out. But if you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.